Former French health minister charged over risking the lives of others during COVID epidemic. Former French Minister of Health Agnes Buzyn was indicted on Friday for dealing with the COVID-19 epidemic after investigators decided that her prosecution had warranted. Buzyn was charged with jeopardizing others' life, but not with failing to avert a catastrophe, the Republic's Court of Justice prosecutor stated. The accusations are a setback to President Emmanuel Macron, who will face scrutiny in the next year's electoral campaign, but he also immediately faced claims of overreach by the court. Edouard Philippe and Véran were examined and their offices were scrutinized by the courts, and the current health minister, Olivier Véran. In early 2020, COVID-19 started spreading from China, catching governments, health professionals, and the WHO by surprise. Over 115,000 fatalities and 6.89 cases in France. Globally, the illness has claimed over 4.5 million lives. In February of last year, Buzyn resigned from her position. Her early comments regarding the epidemic were criticized and ridiculed. A month later, when she quit the government to run for Paris mayor, she stated that the tsunami has yet to arrive. COVID-19's dangers were first reported in January, according to a parliamentary inquiry. The French government was contradictory in its advice on facial coverings, first doubting their efficacy, then requiring them in public places. Anne Genete, an LREM MP, said she was shocked and outraged by the court's decision. In an interview with LCI, Genete said that no one wants to join politics or be a minister. The Court of Justice of the Republic was established in 1993 to improve accountability when it was discovered that cabinet ministers were able to avoid legal consequences for their conduct while in office. The public may file a complaint with the court if they believe they have been victimized by a government official. About 14,500 cases, from people, physicians, associations, and even convicts, have been accumulated over the pandemic management by the government, the senior prosecutor stated this week. Some opponents claim the court is too sluggish and slow, while others believe the present inquiry is an example of a system of justice going too far. Both former President Hollande and current President Macron have pledged to abolish the court.